Hello, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to the analysis of this channel, and this time there's something I've been thinking of about President Uhuru Kenyatta. Even if President Uhuru Kenyatta is the chairman of Azimio la Umoja, he has to come out and defend Raila Odinga. If truly it means that President Uhuru Kenyatta is still working with Raila Odinga, this is the time he needs to come out and talk to Kenyans about what happened as the president or outgoing president. Since William Samoei Ruto was declared as the president-elect, he has done so many things in Kenya Kwanza. They have made so many steps ahead of Azimio la Umoja. Azimio la Umoja are waiting next week on Monday to present the case in Supreme Court. And what the judges are going to declare, that will be the final answer to Kenyans. To me, I'm seeing it's like a game President Uhuru Kenyatta is playing with William Samoei Ruto. You know very well that this was an agreement between Uhuru Kenyatta and William Samoei Ruto, that yangu 10 na yake 10. As supporters of Azimio la Umoja, men are confused and they don't know what is the next step from Raila Odinga. We know that today Raila Odinga was in Karen with religious leaders. They conducted prayers, and through that we can see that Kenya is remaining peaceful, and so many people from other countries were expecting that after elections Kenyans will demonstrate and they will do so many things. Before I go deep to the analysis of this video, just in case you are here for the first time and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly take a moment, subscribe and put on the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube will automatically notify you. And for the returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming here to support the content of this channel. On Monday, Azimio la Umoja will present the case in the Supreme Court. But what we are seeing in Kenya Kwanza, they're putting their house in order and they are ready to take the next government. During the swearing in of the next president of Kenya, I have no doubts that the outgoing president is going to do what is required as per the Constitution of Kenya. Now that William Samoei Ruto is harvesting a lot every day, Azimio la Umoja seems like it's getting confused. Today, I've been seeing people saying that Kalonzo Musyoka was to meet William Samoei Ruto, but later, Kalonzo Musyoka came out and said that he's not going to leave Azimio and he will never join Kenya Kwanza. The position Moses Wetangula is going to take as the speaker. That's the position also Kalonzo Musyoka is eyeing for from Azimio la Umoja. But as you can see, what William Samoei Ruto has done will make Kalonzo Musyoka not to secure that chance, because the Kenya Kwanza side has taken the majority of the MPs and the majority of the Senate. As I've been consistently insisting here, is that the Kenya Kwanza side, they are going to control both the houses, that is the Senate and the National Assembly. Many things are going to be controlled by Kenya Kwanza. I'm worried of the silence that I'm seeing from the outgoing president, Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta, towards when we were nearing to the days of voting, he was really determined and he was doing thorough campaigns towards Azimio la Umoja leader Raila Odinga. But since Chebukati declared William Samoei Ruto as the president-elect, he has never come out and shared any word to Kenyans. It has so many people have congratulated William Samoei Ruto. Only the president of Kenya has not. And the reasons I gave yesterday in the video I did. Now, in the case Azimio la Umoja presenting to Supreme Court, is it going to favor Raila Odinga or it's going to favor William Samoei Ruto? If it means it's going to favor William Samoei Ruto, then it's a rude shock to President Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga. We have seen many leaders from Kenya Kwanza saying that they don't have any problem with Raila Odinga. The only person they have problems with is the outgoing President Uhuru Kenyatta. Now, if they have a problem with Uhuru Kenyatta, does it mean it's only President Uhuru Kenyatta? We know there are so many people who lost their seats because of supporting Raila Odinga. And those people are so bitter. What if the Supreme Court nullifies the results? What's going to happen? In this video, I wanted to channel talk of what the observations I've made since 15th up to today. Kenya Kwanza is making quick steps as Azimio la Umoja are reluctant. And if the Supreme Court is not going to favor Raila Odinga, then it means William Samoei Ruto will take over. And already they have organized the house. Thank you for watching this video. Keep on subscribing and liking the content of this channel.